If you're experiencing frame stuttering in EAFC25 and want to enable smoother gameplay, follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access Game Settings. Open EAFC25 and navigate to the main menu. Look for the Settings option, usually found in the Options or Settings tab. This is where you can adjust various gameplay settings. Step 2. Adjust Graphics Settings. Within the Settings menu, find the Graphics settings. Lower the graphics quality or resolution to see if this reduces stuttering. You can also experiment with turning off features like VSync or motion blur, which may help improve performance. Step 3. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, etc. to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can significantly enhance game performance and reduce stuttering. Step 4. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, or any other software that could impact your game's performance. Step 5. Check for game updates. Finally, make sure that EAFC25 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve performance. Check the game launcher or platform for any available updates. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize frame stuttering and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in EAFC25. Happy gaming!